So my kids are working in Google Docs and Google Slides. So I tried to create tutorials with videos for them so that they can kind of have a chance to look up something if they didn't know how to do something. So there are two slides here. One deals with Google Docs, the other one deals with Google Slides. And basically, there's a task, and if you click the link, it'll take you to where I explain what to do. So I'm sharing that this week in the s'more in case you want to have, well, in case you assign your kids assignments in Google Docs and Google Slides and you want to make sure that they understand how to maneuver it. So you just need to make a copy of these slides and you can share it with your students.